Welcome! Today, we'll guide you through the process of permanently deleting your Tinder account, whether you're on Android or iPhone. First, open your Tinder app. Tap on the profile icon in the top corner to access your settings. Scroll down and select Settings. Here, you'll find an option to delete account. Before you proceed, Tinder will ask for confirmation. Make sure to read the prompts carefully. Once confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to recover it later. And that's it. Your Tinder journey comes to an end. Thank you for watching, and happy dating ahead. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. We're here to help with all your Tinder concerns. Stay tuned for more guides on dating apps and how to navigate your love life with confidence. Remember, deleting your account opens up new possibilities. Go out there and embrace new connections. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care and enjoy your dating adventures.